Hey guys, Mr. Amber back here with you, looking at our final timeline video for section 18.6 on disease prevention in preparation for Thursday's quiz. Disease prevention is one of the most intriguing aspects of China's history. So, before the 1st century CE, the Chinese developed a way of fighting infectious diseases. So, when someone would die, instead of just burying the corpse, they would instead burn off a chemical that gave off kind of a poisonous smoke, and they believed that that was a way of kind of preventing the disease from spreading. They viewed it as kind of a disinfectant, similar to modern day bleach, although they obviously didn't use bleach. It was kind of a similar chemical, or at least in the effects that it had. So up top you see the Song Dynasty is where a lot of these disease prevention techniques took place, from 960 to a little after 1200. We see a really intriguing way and far advanced way of dealing with disease, in the sense that the Chinese boiled or steamed cloves as a way of preventing disease from spreading. In modern day medicine, we boil instruments to prevent the spread of germs and diseases. So the Chinese were far ahead of the West again in this category. The steaming of clothes is really a unique way, considering we know in modern day, again, with the boiling of medical tools, how impactful and easy it is for them to then burn the germs off. We have two key terms from the section. So inoculate, the ability to protect against disease by transmitting a disease-causing agent to a person, stimulating the body's defense reactions. Oftentimes with smallpox, what would happen is they would take off a scab, crush that and mix it with some type of powder, and then somebody who was not sick would snort it as a way to prevent themselves from gaining the disease. This kind of gave way to what would later be used, the vaccines, which were substances used to immunize people against a disease. So that is kind of the later development of this inoculation process. But to think that the Chinese were, finding ways to combat smallpox as early as 900 CE is kind of a fascinating aspect of disease prevention. So I guess 3 key things to remember from this video. So steamed clothes were a great way to prevent the spread of disease. Also, inoculation, one of our key terms, as well as vaccine. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care, guys. Bye now.